That's the vent on the roof for the air. Whoa! Come on, take my shed into the next guy's yard. The backyard's full of leaves. Wow, that's crazy. Ooh, cold out too. Awful. Gotta be dropped 10, 15 degrees. Look at it blowing over there. Wow! Never like this before in Connecticut. Ever, ever, ever. It's the first time I've ever seen this. This is new. Hail to the king of weather. Oh, wait a minute. That's Mother Nature. Ooh, look at it. It's coming almost sideways. Ooh, a rumble too. Still got electricity. We still got a window on this side of the house. Yeah, that's right. There's a screen on these windows. Oh, can't tell anything. Wow. Boy, this is some nasty weather. Just an hour ago it was frickin' nothing but sunny and hot. Was she in the garage? She's in the garage. Oh, there she is. Jesus, thank you.
I haven't seen Halo in years.
I've never seen this before. Who checked the temperature out?
What is it?
Oh, it's got to be 10-degree drop. Oh, there it is. Must be the end of it. What is it?
69.
Yeah, it dropped about 10 degrees. It was 80, 85 or 86 today, wasn't it? Well, that's it for the end of the hail. Wow.
Nice.
Wow, that was something else. Never seen that before.
I know, huh? Wow.
I guess that's it, boys and girls.